Let's talk about power on Mars. Power is the lifeblood of any human activity, but Mars is a very energy poor planet. There is no availability of any hydrocarbons that we know of. The surface of Mars is completely oxidized. There is no way to extract energy from what you can find on it. Most of the stuff is just, ash, metal oxides, CO2, and water. There is no flow in water on Mars, so there is no possibility to create a hydropower station. The atmosphere is very thin and dusty, and that makes it a problem both for the wind power, which is barely available, and even for the solar power, the only remaining source of energy on Mars. That's the problem. We probably can find things like uranium or thorium from the basic, geochemistry considerations. They should be somewhere, but we don't know where. So what's the solution for that? If you look at the energy availability on Martian surface and the optimal orbit for solar power collection, Sun synchronous orbit, the difference in raw energy is not that big. 100 watts per square meter versus 162 watts. But if you combine that with the lack of dust and atmosphere, with the fact that you can collect the power 24/7 in orbit, and many other smaller but important considerations, like dust storms can sometimes block entirely all the solar energy, you can see that the power in Martian orbit is a much better opportunity. So we can build our colony in orbit with the expectation of reliable source of energy there.